Hey scrappers, today we're going to do this here Rancello coffee grinder, and it's surprisingly heavy for its little size. So we're going to see how much this thing weighs before we tear this apart. And surprisingly, as you can see, 15 pounds, almost 16 pounds total for this thing. So that's surprisingly pretty heavy for a little grinder. So we're going to see what we get out of this thing. Alright, let's get tearing this thing down. First of all, we'll get rid of this cord so it's not in our way. Also take off the plug. Some insulated cable or power cord, whatever you want to call it. Now you can see what's inside this thing that makes it so heavy. I'm wondering if there's one of them metal weights or maybe even concrete to keep it rolling around as it's grinding your coffee. Up here, so you can see. Hopefully there's something nice nicer than that old can opener, huh? It's probably stainless. Let's do the test. Yep, that's stainless. Figure out how to get this thing apart. Straights in there. Here we can get into some parts. Boy, that thing is coated with something. It's coffee. There she be. Say another piece of stainless. I'm about to get rid of some things, but see, that's stainless too. Magnet won't. That's stainless. I just could have done that with the magnet too, huh? That's all stainless. Need to clean it up a little bit though. Oh my gosh, that thing's here. That's all motor. Let's hope that's copper. Some of these wires out of here. This does have a capacitor, which we need to make sure it's discharged before we really handle it. Because if not, it can give you a really nasty shock. And I'm sure you've seen how many videos on how to deactivated, but I know the thing's been setting for a while. There's nothing on it, but we'll make sure. No spark. So it's safe. Junk though. Got some switches and doodads and all kinds of neat things. Let's get it off this back plate, which I believe this might be, looks to be maybe cast aluminum. I think that's cast aluminum. Find the right bit and get rid of our plastic junk so it's out of the way. Yeah, that almost looks like brass on top. This might be a win-win here. Clean this up. These always got to go. As you can hear, we got a windy day today. Sorry about that, but somehow I quit recording. I hit the wrong button. But the solenoid I got off the side, it was copper, and this just popped right out of it, so got a nice little chunk of copper there. And then these here was part of it. They got some button. There's a nice button on that one. So like I said, this is brass. There's some nice brass chunks in here. This is brass. That's brass. This here's brass. Nice chunk of brass. Now, just gotta figure out how to get that off. I can see a screw down in there, but and it's caked with coffee. I don't know if you gotta take that out or what, but start getting this thing apart and see what's inside. That's heavy. That's all where all the weight came from. So see if we can get this thing off. I'm figuring that's backwards. Yep. Backwards thread that was. So we got that. Looks like it was screwed on. I'm not going to get it off like that though, but might have to go off for a little bit, and we'll try to get that off and then we'll be back. As you can see, it's still on there. I did get it turning. I'm not sure what these grooves are. I'm thinking something might be in I gotta come up from the bottom. So let's get this apart and we'll see. See what we got here. But that is definitely brass. I'm not so sure. I mean, this is aluminum. I might just have to cut that. Take the saw or take the grinder and cut that to get that out. That looks like brass down in there too. We might just have to do that. Right now, let's see what we have here. Wow. That's looking good. Nice chunk of a cast of aluminum. Let's see if this is copper. Find my file. Here it is. That is copper. So we'll get this cut. I'll go off screen, cut this off, pop this out, and I'll try to get this out, and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back. We did finally get it. I cut through here and cut through here, got all that old plastic junk off, broke them ears, had to break these ears off because the plastic was in with it, amongst that too. Got that pried open a little bit and comes right off. We got it off. It was this here grinding thing, gear underneath. Took 3 screws, got that off, same way here, and look what found underneath. Another chunk of brass. This thing is just full of surprises. And as we determined, this is copper. And I did get it, the case grinded off. Now we're left with this. We'll see if I can get this apart. Try to do it here on camera, maybe. Get these here pins out. I did get me a new machete, and hopefully it works better than that butcher's knife. Peel this off. Don't want to put the machete on these, they'll eat it up before we can get started. This cord. Okay, now that we got that out, move some of this stuff out of the way. By the way, that is all cast aluminum. All these pieces. This thing is paying off in big full. I'm glad I found this. A new machete. Hopefully it lasts. If not, we'll find something different on my hammer. We'll see how loud this is going to be. If it's going to be too loud, I'll come back. We're going to come back. But it's doing the job. As you can see, it's going through it. But I'm not going to sit here and let you have to listen to that. I'll be back. Okay, we're back and it sliced right through it. I'm going to pull this out and get it all cleaned up, and when I come back we'll weigh up and see how everything weighs out. Okay, we're back, and the steel, we have 6 pounds and 14 ounces. The stainless steel is 2 pounds. Get this foot, 2 pounds and 6 ounces. The clean cast aluminum is 1 pound, 10 ounces. The electrical cord is 6 ounces. The insulated wire is 2 ounces. All that brass is 1 pound, 2 ounces. Plus I got four little buttons off. And for that copper is an even 2 pounds. Well, that was a really nice grinder, a coffee grinder, but you got a good bit of stuff out of that. So that's all of this one. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.